Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from TixJam's channel. In this video, I want to show you how to enable auto update for the App Store. So first, you need to go into your setting and here go to the Apps section and here click on the App Store. And in the App Store you need to scroll down a little bit and you will see a section called App Updates. Click on that and here you will return to the sections where it says App Updates, and there is a toggle. For me, I had turned it off already, but for you, you can turn it off as well. And from now on, your phone will not update apps automatically. However, if you do want to update apps at any time, you can just go into the App Store, and when you open the App Store, in the top right, you press on your profile. Then in the app update sections, you can see all the apps that need updating. Yeah, and from there you can easily update the ones you want. And that was today's video. If it was helpful for you, I kindly ask you to like the video. That is the biggest support you can give us, and thank you so much. If you want, you can subscribe to our channel for future videos. Goodbye.